What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we have the BLU Vivo 11 Plus versus the Huawei Mate SE in a speed test. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so on the left we have the BLU Vivo 11 Plus, which I actually picked up for $280. If you guys want to go ahead and see current pricing for this phone, the link will be in the description down below. And we have the Huawei Mate SE, which I actually picked up for $250, and I'll leave that in the link in the description down below. So a lot of people were asking me to put these phones head to head, see which one would win in a battle, because they're pretty much around the same price point in a lot of people want to pick up a phone in the mid-range area, so we're gonna go ahead and do this really quick. So if you guys are new to my channel, we pretty much do the same thing every single time. We do the Antutu benchmark last, we do our little speed test first where we see which app opens up first, and then we do a time trial at the end. So the first thing that we're going to check out is basically going through these applications. So we're going to go through all 10 applications right here, see which one opens up first, and let's go ahead and do this. Alright guys, so we have the Antutu benchmark in 3, 2, 1, go. BLU Vivo 11 Plus, got that one. Next we have the YouTube application in 3, 2, 1, go. Huawei Mate SE, got that one. Next we have the camera in 3, 2, 1, go. BLU Vivo 11 Plus, got that one. Next we have the clock in 3, 2, 1, go. BLU Vivo 11 Plus, got that one. Next we have calculator in 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty much same time right there. We have Netflix next in 3, 2, 1, go. Pretty much the same exact time. All right guys, so now we have a game, so this is going to take a little bit longer, and very interested to see what's going to happen. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, so the BLU Vivo 11 Plus was much faster. Next we're going to open up Chrome in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, awesome. And next we're going to do a little search really quick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and go to tesla.com in 3, 2, 1, go. And BLU Vivo 11 Plus absolutely killed it right there. Next we have the Play Store in 3, 2, 1, go. BLU Vivo 11 Plus got that right there. And last but not least, we have Holio in 3, 2, 1, go. BLU Vivo 11 Plus got it right there as well. So as you guys saw, the BLU Vivo 11 Plus has pretty much killed it on this test. Now it does have 6 GB of RAM, and this does have 4 GB of RAM inside this device. So that's why the BLU Vivo 11 Plus is doing much better than the Huawei Mate SE. But do keep in mind that we have the Antutu benchmark left. And let's go ahead and do the time trial. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start the time trial in 3, 2, 1, go. Antutu. Good. YouTube. Good. Camera. Good. Clock. Good. Calculator. Good. Netflix. Good. Temper 1, 2. Good on that. Chrome. Cool. Play Store. Awesome. Holio. Good. Alright, so for the BLU Vivo 11 Plus, we got 43.18 seconds, which is pretty good. And now we're going to go ahead and try this out on the Huawei Mate SE. Alright guys, we're going to start this in 3, 2, 1, go. Antutu benchmark. Good. YouTube. Good. Camera. Good. Clock. Good. Calculator. Good. Netflix. Good. Temper 1, 2. Good. Next, Chrome. Loading the Tesla site. Good. Play Store. Awesome. And Holio. Alright guys, so for the Huawei Mate SE, we pretty much got 8 seconds slower. So we get a score of 51.50 versus a score of 43.18. So pretty much about 8 seconds faster on the BLU Vivo 11 Plus. So as far as random access memory and, going and holding certain windows open and loading up applications, the BLU Vivo 11 Plus killed it on there. Last thing we're going to go ahead and do is do the Antutu benchmark, and that is going to be our speed test. Alright guys, so we have the BLU Vivo 11 Plus versus the Huawei Mate SE benchmark test in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, so it looks like the benchmark is now finished, and the BLU Vivo 11 Plus has blown the Huawei Mate SE out of the water. As you guys see, we got a score of 138,648, and on our Huawei Mate SE, we got a score of 89,277. Now starting off with the Mate SE, for our score, we defeated 26% of users. Starting off with the CPU, we got a score of almost 42,000, defeating 35% of users. For a GPU, we got a score of 13,252, defeating 11% of users. For a UX score, we got a score of 24,296, defeating 30% of users. And for MEM score, we actually got a pretty decent score of 9,752, just a little bit over the BLU Vivo 11 Plus's score of 9,748, both receiving a percentage, defeating 57% of users. Now onto our BLU Vivo 11 Plus. A lot of you actually may not know about this device. I did do an unboxing of it. It does have the Helio P60, which you can pretty much compare to the Snapdragon 660, and we do have 6 GB of RAM inside this device, which is pretty decent. For our score, we got a score of 138,648, defeating 44% of users, which is just an extraordinary score for what I got this device for. I believe I paid $280 for this device. You guys can go ahead and check the current pricing. It may be a little bit over $300 now, but for $280, I think this is a pretty damn good benchmark. Now onto our CPU, we got a score of 63,059, defeating 62% of users. We got a GPU score of 30,024, defeating 28% of users. For our UX score, we got a score of 35,817, defeating 51% of users. And as for our MEM score, the Huawei Mate SE did likewise, and we got a score of 9,748, defeating 57% of users on both of these devices. So pretty impressive MEM scores on both of these devices, to be quite honest, for the price. But the BLU Vivo 11 Plus does take the win, so congrats to BLU for actually making a damn good device. I'm going to do my review on this device. I've been using it for the last few days, and honestly, I've been loving it so far. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.